Monica, the political science teacher from the arts department, to give the welcome speech.
A very good morning to each and everyone present here. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to today's auspicious event. It is me, Monica, and I'm here to present the felicitation speech on behalf of our Honorable Sir Principal, the faculty, and everyone at SV Getwell School. I feel honored as a faculty member at SV Getwell School, and on behalf of all the faculty members, I would like to congratulate all the pass-out students on your grand achievement. Students who have got the best performance in the board exams conducted by Felicitation. And dear students, your hard work and dedications to your studies have brought you here to be facilitated. It is indeed an honor for all the parents as well as the school. Furthermore, I would like to add that the students are the future leaders of our beloved country. And lastly, I would like to add on behalf of the school that I pray and wish you all the best in your future. Good luck everyone, and thank you once again.
Thank you, Miss. Now I would like to call upon to give the address.